Hello students, in this video what I will go through is an exercise on how to solve for angles cut by formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal, and I will also apply the exterior angle theorem to this problem set here. Let's take a look. So for question number 14 it says, what are the values of x, y, and z? Use theorems to justify each answer. I will go through that. So I know that angle y here has to equal to 66 immediately because I recognize that that is a vertical angle, right? And if this is 66 degrees and these lines over here are parallel, those are parallel lines, then this angle over here must also be y. And the reason for that is because those angles, this angle here and angle y, are corresponding angles. So knowing this, I can then say, well, 74 plus y plus x should equal to 180. And why is that? Well, that's because this is a linear trio rather than a linear pair. These three angles together, they form a straight line. So knowing what y is, I can now solve for x. So 74 plus 66 plus x is equal to 180. I add together 74 and 66, and what will I end up with? I will end up with 140 plus x is equal to 180. So subtracting 140 from both sides, x will equal to, therefore, 40 degrees. And since I know what x is, and this angle over here, z, is exterior to this triangle, I can then say that z is equal to x plus 66, and this is because of the exterior angle theorem. And since I know what x is, I know that z, therefore, is equal to 106. And that's how you solve for x, y, and z for question number 14. Let's take a look at number 15 here. Same idea, okay? This is a triangle. I have an exterior angle. I can apply the exterior angle theorem. I can say 5x is equal to 3x plus 2x. And you know what? This really doesn't get me anywhere because I end up with 5x is equal to 5x. So that's not good. That's not the direction that they want us to take. However, this is true. 5x does indeed equal to 3x plus 2x. I can also do this, okay? I can say 5x plus x is equal to 180. I can also do this. Whoops. I can also do that the sum of all the angles inside of a triangle is equal to 180, right? All of those things are valid. But you know what? 5x plus x is equal to 180. So I end up with 6x is equal to 180. So that means x is equal to 30 apiece. And if that's the case, that means this is 30, this is 150, this is 90, and this is 60. Moving on. What are the values of the variables in each figure? And so in order for us to go through this, I know that all three angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So therefore I can say x plus 46 plus 71 is equal to 180. I can combine like terms. Whoops. X plus, what is that, 118 is equal to 180. Subtract 118 from both sides, I end up with x is equal to 62. Alright, so 56 plus 76 plus x is equal to 180. Combine like terms, I end up with 100 and... what is this? This is 232. Subtract both sides by 132, I end up with 48. Number 18. So here I have two unknowns. I know that x plus 36 plus 46 should equal to 180. Combine like terms, I end up with 82 plus x is equal to 182. I'm sorry, equal to 180. Subtract 82 from both sides, I end up with 98. Since x is equal to 98, then therefore this angle over here must equal to 98. Whoops. And since that angle there is equal to 98 degrees, I know that 98 plus y plus 44 should equal to 180. Combine like terms. Y plus 98 plus 44. What is that? That will equal to 142. Is equal to 180. Subtract 142 from both sides. I end up with 38. Moving on, question 19. Okay, so this angle over here is 91. That means I can apply the exterior angle theorem to say 91 is equal to x plus 71, because 91 is exterior to this triangle here. So now I can solve for x. X will equal to 91 minus 71, that will equal to 20. And since I know what x is, I can now solve for y, because y plus this whole angle, which is x plus 39 plus 71, should equal to 180 degrees. So by substituting what x is into this, I end up with y plus 20 plus 39 plus 71 is equal to 180. Combine like terms, I end up with y plus 59 plus 71. So that is equivalent to 130. So therefore y will equal to 50 degrees. Okay, moving on. Question number 20. What is the value of x in each figure? So this is the exterior angle theorem. X is equal to 41 plus 98. And that will be 139. Here, x will equal to 42 plus 79, which is going to be 121. And more exterior angle theorem. So I know that 119 is equal to x plus 46. Subtract 46 from both sides, I end up with x is equal to, what is that, 73? Yes. And more exterior angle theorem, 74 is equal to 23 plus x, which therefore x will equal to 50. 51. Yep. Okay, moving on. Last problem set of this assignment here. So in this problem set here, it says find the measure of each angle. So I want to find the measure of each angle shown here. So I want to find angle 1, it says. So angle 1 plus 37 plus 116 is equal to 180. I'm going to combine like terms. I end up with angle 1 plus 153 is equal to 180. Subtract 153 from both sides, I end up with 27. Angle 2. Let's see here. Where's angle 2? Angle 2 is over here. So angle 2 is equal to... Angle 2 is equal to... well, I know that angle 2 plus angle 1 plus 74 should equal to 180. And now that I know what angle 1 is, angle 1 is equal to 27. So I can say angle 2 plus 27 plus 74 is equal to 180. Combine like terms, angle 2 plus 101. Whoops. Is equal to 180, or angle 2 is equal to 99. Angle 3. I know that angle 3 plus 46 plus 74 is equal to 180. And how do I know that? Well, that is because of that right there. So, therefore, combining all like terms here, I end up with angle 3 plus 120 is equal to 180. Angle 3 is equal to 60. And then there was the last one here, number 4. So I know that angle 4 plus, will equal to this, and I want to highlight this, it's an exterior angle theorem again, will equal to this angle plus this angle, right? So what is that? So angle 4 is equal to 37 plus angle 1 plus 74. So therefore 37 plus angle 1 we found to be 27 plus 74. What will this all add up to? So let's see, 37 plus 27, that is 64. And 64 plus 74, what is that? That's 138. So angle 4 is equal to 138.